আমার তো ব্যাকগ্রাউন্ড দেওয়া আছে হলো গতকালকের ওরিয়েন্টেশন, দেখি আমি একটু চেঞ্জ করতে
আমার তো
পারি কিনা।
ভাই এটা ইলেকট্রিক্যাল ব্যাকগ্রাউন্ড আছে, এটা আছে, চেঞ্জ করা হয়নি,
জি স্যার।
লাল রক্তের ভিতরে।
ঠিক আছে।
স্যার শুরু করব স্যার?
Yes, you can do that.
শুরু করে
Yeah.
দাও, আপনি সিদ্ধান্ত
Okay,
নিন।
thank you. Now we have the candidate Mahir Ashraf. Mahir Afsar, sorry, Mahir Afsar.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, can you please introduce yourself in 1
Okay,
minute?
sir. I'm Mahir Afsar. Right now, I'm studying in Department of CEC, Green University of Bangladesh. Previously, I have completed my HEC examination from Daffodil International College, Chatpur, and I have completed my SSC from Glory Model High School, Chatpur. And I'm a positive-minded person who always try to gain more skills and always try to learn more. And I'm always a good communicator. And also, I have doing some volunteers works previously. And right now, I am in CEC department and trying to learn more from our teachers and faculty members. Thank you.
What major courses have you done so far in CC?
I have done discrete mathematics and structural program which is ongoing, and I have completed lab class 2. That's it, sir.
Okay, so maybe our Provisy sir can start with some questions.
Okay, Mr. Mahir.
Yes, sir.
In which semester you are studying now?
Yes, sir.
In which
Sir,
semester?
Which semester?
Sir, I am from second semester, sir.
Only second semester.
Oh, that's
great.
strategic.
Yeah,
Yes,
that's
sir.
great. Okay.
Very good.
Okay. So, what is your aim to be as a computer professional?
Sir, actually, I am, very interested in artificial intelligence because right now we are doing really good in artificial sector. Our world is, doing pretty well in artificial intelligence sector. So I am, always try to learn more in artificial intelligence sector. So I think if I do major in artificial intelligence, it would be great for me. Thank you,
So learning artificial intelligence, you want to make your career as a researcher or as an executive in an IT industry?
Actually, sir, I always want to be a researcher because a researcher can research new things and can explore the field pretty good. So I think it would be great to learn research, do the research field. Thank you, sir.
Do you know what are the skills required mostly required for 21st century workplaces?
Actually, sir, I think in 21st century workplaces, I think I have to be hard worker person, and I also have to be motivated to do the work as soon as I can, and I have to have a mentality to adapt the situation so that fearness can't catch me, and uh, that's all, sir. I'm a little bit nervous, sir.
Okay, I would like to make some argument with you now. You talked
Okay,
about
sir.
you talked about hard working, you talked about motivation, right?
Yes, sir.
Let's say a person, a daily laborer, he is a very hardworking person. A rickshaw puller, he is highly motivated person to earn his living or to provide some supports to his or her son and so on. So, do you think hardworking and motivation is enough for uh, 21st century workplaces?
Sir, I
What
think,
else? What else are needed?
sir, I think hard work and motivated person is also required for being a good, professional sector. but there also require some things, which is studying well and learning the things which I need to requires. And I think there are a
Okay,
lot of things
okay,
which I
okay,
can.
okay. Sensing some point. It's my last question. You talked about artificial intelligence, right?
Yes, sir.
So could you please teach me the difference between artificial intelligence and machine learning?
Sir, actually, I think artificial intelligence and machine learning has a little bit differences, because from machine learning we have developed the artificial intelligence. So a little bit. So as a beginner student, I am.
Give one example. Give one example, please.
Well, I can say in 19th century we used TVs which can talk with us. But right now it was developed as a smart TV which can talk with us and which can communicate with us and gives us more information like from the previous ones. That's it, sir.
Okay, thank you from my side. Treasurer sir.
Mahir,
Yes, sir.
as a one point you mentioned, although you are the very beginner, but only just I want to know what idea you have developed. You talked about structured programming. So what is the difference between structured programming and non-structured programming? How do you
Actually,
explain?
sir. Actually, sir, I think that I don't know enough about it, but I will say that structured programming and non-structured programming has a lot of differences. Like as non-structured programming is a kind of, we can say there are a lot of non-structured kind of programming. Actually, um, C programming is one of the structured programs, as I know. And
C language, it is the name of the language.
yes,
If
sir.
you program in a certain way, it will be structured. Another
Yes,
point is modular programming. What
Yes,
is
sir.
that?
Actually, sir, I forgot
You
about it.
don't know too much.
Sorry for that.
Say,
Sorry about it, sir.
if you create some module, okay, in your program, and if you call this module, use these modules in your big program, okay,
Yes, sir.
then what will happen?
I think it.
Actually, you just started the course, I think, in a
Yes,
second
sir.
semester student.
Yes, sir.
So anyway,
I am 211 batch, sir.
no, very good. In spite of that, just since you are very anxious to learn working person, also our professor put question on this: what is meant by hard working? So one thing, say a problem you have taken one problem, you are not able to solve. What to do? What are the steps you should take?
Well, I think first of all, I have to do some research about that thing, and if I don't get it, then I have to talk about it with my professors or my members, so that I can solve the problems as soon as I can. If I think it would be all for me, or I can adopt the knowledge from right now we are really doing good with Google, so we can ask anything
You
from
can ask
Google. So
Google. Okay.
anything,
So
yes, sir.
just only next question is very simple. Say people nowadays are very interested to work on computer. Okay. So just you want to sit in front of computer. You want to make some control mechanism. Say in power station, he want to control the power station sitting in front of a computer. It's the
Yes, sir.
task of just an engineer. Generally, it is being done nowadays. How to develop these programs? I don't want to know in detail, but do you have any idea how the programs are written, how the people are getting benefited?
Actually, sir, as I know that every program is started with C languages, because C is a common languages in from the beginning, and it was adapted from, because it is really well to understand. So I think first of all we can write it in you know uh, C languages, and as well as Python. We have Java. That's it, sir.
Do you know the name of the SCADA system?
Sir, actually, I don't know enough about it.
No, I don't expect so much from you. But anyway, just I want to know your interest and everything.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you. From my
Thank you.
side.
Thank you, sir. I have two questions. So you talked about you wanna do research, but in our software farm, we basically just develop the software. So is it okay if we offer you a job because there is no scope for research? What do you think about that?
I think that by doing do work with your company right now, it will help me learn more, so that it will be help for my research. And after learning more or gathering more knowledge, I can do my research pretty well. And for my future development, it will be helpful. That's it, sir.
And like due to the pandemic situation, we are a little bit low on the budget. So normally our starting salary is 20,000, but we're gonna offer you 10,000. And for after 6 months, we will look at your performance and think about if we wanna make it regular or not. So would you agree to that condition?
Well, sir, it would be hard for me, but I'm agree with it because your company is in good field, and your company is one of the greatest company. So I guess it would be helpful for my future career also. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you, Mahir. So we're gonna let you know.
Thank you, sir. Assalamu alaikum.